Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard here. See here, the slant height of the frustum is of a cone is 4 centimeter, and the perimeters of a circle ends or 18 and 6 centimeter is given. We need to find the surface area of this frustum. So what exactly we need to do first? We need to find the radius. Radius of each circle. I mean top circle and the bottom. Let's say small r be the radius of the top circle and capital R be the radius of the bottom base circle. Given slant height L is equals to 4 centimeters and perimeters of circular ends are 18 and 6 centimeters. We know that the perimeter of a circle is nothing but circumference. So perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so perimeter is equals to 2 pi r. So how to find the radius from perimeter? I mean, if perimeter is given, how to find the radius? So perimeter is equals to 2 pi r. So radius is nothing but r is equals to perimeter divided by 2 pi. So which is perimeter divided by 2 pi. So this is the formula to find the radius of the circle if perimeter is given. See here, when a perimeter is 18 centimeter, what is the radius? 18 centimeter, then the radius capital R becomes 18 divided by 2 pi, so which is 9 by pi. And similarly, when the perimeter is 9 centimeter, 6 centimeter, what is the radius of the smaller circle, which is 6 by 2 pi, which is nothing but 3 by pi. So we got both the radius. Now find the curved surface area of frustum. The surface area of the frustum, the formula is surface area is equals to pi into r plus r into L. Here capital R is the radius of the base circle and small r is the radius of the top circle. So which is, we got 9 by pi and 3 by pi into L, where L is the slant height, which is 4 centimeter. So 9. So we have common denominators, which is pi. So 9 plus 3 divided by pi. So see here, pi and pi, we have pi in both the numerator and denominator, so it cancels out. So 9 plus 3 becomes 12. So 12 into 4 is 48 centimeter. So the area, the surface area of the frustum is 48 centimeter. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.